व्यक्ति जो है वो जुड़ चुके हैं, जो हमें बताएंगे कि बॉर्डरलैंड, जिस तरीके से आसाम में बॉर्डरलैंड सेपरेट स्टेट की जो मांग की जा रही है, उस पर इनके क्या विचार हैं। State.
Bodo people, they are having their own autonomous district council now. If they are demanding for a separate state from Assam, that is quite justified. It is quite justified because they are different people. They are different from Assamese people. Culturally, linguistically, they are different. So the application, their demand, the Bodo people are different people. They are tribal people. They are different from Assamese people. At present, they are having Bodoland Autonomous District Council.
Why need the separate state?
If they are demanding
Borderland.
separate state for the Bodoland, it is justified. I justify it. I accept it.
Give the message for the borderland peoples, Assam peoples.
Oh, to the Bodo people, I know your demand. I am supporting you. I am very much supporting you. I understand your demand also. We are having the same plight with some people earlier when Mizoram was district under some state. So your demand for the separate state is justified.
Give the message, give the appeal for the government, in present government.
The present government, I think they should permit Bodoland to exist, Bodo state to exist.
Thank you.
Thank you.